guys, today it's started on the Windows using the command line tool, and we have a command line tool easy way to install it, so you don't even have to go to the website. So I'll just show you how to go and how it works. And we will just go to the CMD here and then click some code. So it's called Windows get, then install Microsoft, then the .NET SDK, and then you can choose. So I will just use the 8, and this is now installing all of the assets. So we want to click the right button, and now it's found. Microsoft is not now it's using the 212 megabyte download, so it's quite taking a little bit of time, but when it goes, I will use that. So now you have to click on the yes on the Windows administrator button, and it is starting. Okay, thank you. It is installed successfully, as you can see here, and this was quite nice, easy implementation. So if you want to see more about something with the command line tool or something else, a PowerShell, I'm quite familiar and expertise with that. So just reach out to me if you have any questions. I am the head of the faculty of technological study management in the Winnipeg, and we can talk anytime. So thank you very much. Bye.